Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 100K. Yeah. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Mackenzie 2. I'm joined by Jimmy Wabutokwa
from Limpopo.
Yes.
Limpopo is happy.
You happy?
And then we're cruising.
You cruising, my brother? Yes.
Remotely, little chairmen.
We are going telling.
Yeah.
No one. Man, Jimmy.
You can't see Jimmy anymore. I'm cruising the chairmen now.
Chairman Epi.
Chairman Ro celebrate the Mackenzie chairman now.
Only invited.
Yeah, let me apply one. Now we're going to the levels.
Chairman Mackenzie.
Party. No.
Ah, fetch.
I wrote the magazine. If you beat the best team,
yes,
you win the cup.
Yes.
Magazine beat the best team.
Yes.
How many games Magazine win? 4 games away.
Yes.
Magazine never play home.
Yes.
He play the team away.
Yes.
But he win.
Yes.
Let's give Magazine credit. And it's 400,000. That man is rich.
Yes.
It's going home. Mara, I want that man to share with the players, man. He win if I was Shepard,
yeah,
I'll take 300,000 or 250. Give those guys, man.
How much?
I'm serious.
You
see what you can do? Buy them 8 times. Give them 1,000. Hey, gentlemen, thank you very much.
Time.
Give me time. Yes, a teamwork. We know Spencer do well at the goalkeeper, but it's not alone.
Yes.
They help him to get 400,000.
Yes.
No one get 400,000. But this Black Label, you still remember I tell you Deben?
Yeah.
I don't like Black Label.
Why?
Why? Did we hear supporter get something? Now they say supporter must vote. I'm not voting, I'm telling you, I'm not voting.
Yeah.
I'm not voting.
What you say?
Why? They say that when I go there, I want the t-shirt. You see what they say?
Baring.
I must buy 6 Black Label 300.
For skipper.
I tell you what happened. This Black Label fan, they must go back and fix that things. It's wrong. Did you see anyone when go inside to have something in final? I'm very disappointed with Black Label, my man.
Yes.
Black Label is for players, not for the fans.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for fans. Fans say now they say fans must vote. Me, I'm not voting.
Yes.
I'm not time go to buy Black Label and vote. No, I'm not voting.
Never.
Where must I vote? Did I get something? Hey, you since you started Black Label, did we interview a Black Label a fan? They say a fan win 90,000.
So.
Hey, you see that thing if they do? Spencer win 50,000, one win 50,000. Every game it was going to be nice. Yeah. Now there's a fan vote for many of them and you vote. But I never hear posting a fan, they say a fan winning 90,000. Now on the 21st, they say must vote, the team is going to play Magazine. I'm not voting. I'm not voting. I tell you, Japan. Please, next year, Black Label must come stretch it. The good one, everyone must benefit.
Exactly.
No.
Not players.
No Eba, this thing only players will benefit. I'm telling you. Ask him, did you get something? Ask him, how much did you buy this thing? Ask him. 500, ask him. Ask him, how much? 800.
Man of the match, man, Jimmy.
Obviously, we vote for him, we give him 400,000.
Yeah.
It's rich. For Sundowns. You see the problem with Sundowns? No, they come here, they say, oh, we're going to beat them 4. Banyati, that's so unyata.
Yeah.
And then Arnata Valbona. Baba Finne, who are happy for Magazine. The cup is at Limpopo. First time in PSL, win the cup. Yeah. Thank you, Clinton. The people of Muleji are happy.
Yes.
Who are happy. Yeah. Everybody's happy. And before we get on, the best team in PSL who win the best trophy in PSL is only one team. You don't know that team? That one is too much. They win what do you call it? But I don't know that cup.
Legends Cup.
Legends Cup. For cup. You know about that cup?
How much?
150. They happy. They say it's only the team who win a true cup in PSL.
Chiefs.
Do you know that cup? Next week they're going to Durban. You know they're going to play Mangosuthu Cup.
Yeah.
They'll win it. You see when they come back, they come to you, they say, we have a trouble. But I'm very disappointed. Did PSL know about the cups? No. That cup is for friendly. Chiefs no cups. Only team have cups for this year.
Yeah.
Pirates, Maggies. How many cups left? 2. For Pirates, how many cups left? 2. Maggies. And no go talk man. Ke a bona ba so tshwana go tia. Monna o ka tlo. Go se mo baba o ka tlo monno.
Furioso.
Baba o ka tlo monno mo ka. When you go to there you work. Please don't come to next to camera. Stand there at the corner. I love you man. Thank you.